I'm Tom Merritt for Tech Republic. Here are 5 things to know about adversarial attacks. Machine learning is being used for lots of great things, from guiding autonomous cars to creating pictures of cats that don't actually exist. But of course, as with any technology, if it exists, someone's going to want to hack it. And some of those hackers are going to be malicious. Adversarial attacks use machine learning against machine learning by creating images, text, or audio that thwarts other algorithms from performing as expected. That's maybe not so much of a big deal if you disrupt the non-existent cat generator. Bigger deal if the autonomous car doesn't see a stop sign anymore. Let's look at 5 things to know about adversarial attacks. Number 1, only the algorithms really know what's going on. Since machine learning is a bit of a black box, so are the attacks. An algorithm can try injecting a bit of noise that is undetectable to humans until it has fooled another algorithm into thinking panda is a gibbon. This is harder to defend than a more straightforward buffer overflow or some such thing, because there's not like a line of code you can find that causes the problem. Coming in at number 2, adversarial attacks are statistical. That can make them a little harder to catch because they don't work every time. A change of angle or lighting might cause them to fail, and there can be multiple variables that cause failure. The attacker just needs them to work enough times, not every time. Up to number 3, there's never one fix. You can change the statistical parameters or architecture of your machine learning model to defend against known attacks, but the attackers can retrain their attacking algorithms to find new noise patterns. Sliding in at number 4, research on adversarial attacks is rising. Ben Dixon from Tech Talks did a search on arXiv for papers that mentioned adversarial attacks or adversarial examples. 1,100 were submitted in 2020, up from 800 in 2019, and none as far back as 2014. At number 5, the AI community knows this is a problem. They just need to move from research to tools. OpenAI wrote that adversarial examples are a concrete problem, but, quote, fixing them is difficult enough that it requires a serious research effort. And researchers from Microsoft, IBM, NVIDIA, MITRE, and other companies published the Adversarial ML Threat Matrix in December to help researchers find weak spots. It's early enough in the pervasiveness of AI not to worry that adversarial attacks can cause widespread danger, but it's just early enough to start worrying about how to make sure that adversarial attacks can't cause widespread danger, because time will eventually run out. Hey, there's more where that came from too. Check out our other videos and articles at techrepublic.com. I'll see you there.